back to my channel. Okay, so today, I'm going to be unboxing my edible printer for you guys. I have wanted to buy an edible printer for the longest of times. Like, I feel like cake decorators that have edible printers are like really cool and like really professional and stuff. But I couldn't afford it. But recently, like, I decided to, like, I just put some money together and tried to close my eyes and buy it. So if you're looking to buy an edible printer, this video is an unboxing for you. And I don't know if it's the best one, but I watched some videos before picking this one though. And I'm going to leave the link to buying it in the description box for you guys. So let's unbox. Yeah, this knife is not to kill anyone. You just open these boxes. You get it. Okay, so it comes in this really huge box. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And then this is like the first thing on top. And then the receipt. So we're going to put this aside, yeah? And then these are just like, you know, fillers, you know, to cushion the items inside. So let's throw those away. And then, oh, this is it, yeah? See how big it is. So cool. But what is this one? Let's see. Like the edible print I bought, it has like, oh, I think this is the box that has the ink and papers and stuff. So let's see. Yeah, it is the box. Okay, so let's throw this out. This is just a filler. So it comes with this, is Signal Inkjet. So cool. Like really cool. I bought the copy form one, so these are edible ink pens. Oh, I didn't know it even comes with edible ink pens. So cool. I'm going to use it to decorate my cupcakes, my Valentine cupcakes. And it comes with 5 neon colors, 5 colored pens. Like, if you guys want to buy, this is an old set. I didn't buy them separately. This box came inside of this one. So if you guys want to buy this old thing just the way it is, like this, I'm going to leave the link down below. I think it's about 300 and something euros on amazon.co.uk and also on amazon.com. So I'm going to leave the link for you guys to buy. Like, it is really cool. I didn't know it came with these pens. I like freebies. And then this, I think these are the inks. Yeah, this is the black one. It comes with, let me see. This is the yellow one. This is the blue one. It's called CN, I guess. And then this is magenta, and then this is black. So it comes with these 4 inks, and then they even included, like, you know, cupcake muffin cups for me. And then I think these are the cartridges. I'm not exactly sure how to use this, so I'm going to make a different video for you guys on how to use this. Let's see. Yeah, it comes with 4 cartridges. Each cartridge for each ink, I guess. This is the yellow one. The yellow one for the yellow ink. The CN one for the CN ink. The magenta one for the magenta ink. And I think this is for the black ink. If you're doing colored, and black if you're doing just white and black, I think. Yeah. Okay, so, and then it comes with this like injection syringes. I'm a doctor, why don't I know what that is called? It comes with these syringes. It comes with 4 of them. So each syringe to like put the ink inside the cartridge. Does that make sense? I'm still going to make another video for you guys on how I'm going to do all of that. So, and then it comes with this. Oh, there is an instruction manual. Oh, that's great. On how to put the ink inside the cartridges. So cool. And how to disable ink level monitoring. Oh wow. You should hear it. Distant click. Oh, that's really cool. So I think the instruction manual is really cool because it has colors and pictures and everything. So that will be very easy to follow and step by step. And then it comes with, I think 100. I think this is 25. Yeah, it comes with 50 wafer paper. This is wafer paper and this is sugar paper. Some people call it sugar sheets. Yeah, it comes with 50 wafer paper and 25 sugar paper. So like this is everything you need to print. It's not like you have to buy anything else. This is basically everything you need to make your edible print. The paper, in case you want to print on wafer paper or sugar paper, you have 50 wafer paper and 25 sugar paper. And then you have the inks, all 4 colors of them for you to print colored and white and black. And then you have the cartridges, so you put the ink inside. And then you also have the syringes for you to use to put the ink inside the cartridges. Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay, so I think these ones are just like maybe freebies. These pens. I think I'll enjoy using these pens. Let's see if it's pigmented enough. Let's see. This is one pen. Let's write on this thing and see. I don't know if it will write well on this thing, but let's see. Let's write my name. Ooh, edible ink. Nice. Yay. I think it's pretty pigmented, so that's cool. The important thing to remember, and it's double-sided, so if one runs dry, you can use the other one. So cool. Yeah, really cool. Okay, and then this thing, and then this, I think this is about 50 of them. And then this is the most important part, this instruction manual. So cool. So let's take this and put it aside, yeah? So let us unbox the actual printer itself. So I hope I don't ruin it.
Can you just use a knife to open it off? Yeah, cut the, yeah.
This?
Yeah, just cut it out, yeah.
Are you sure we won't use it again? No.
For what? No, that's just the box Amazon puts in it, yeah. That's the review.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. See how cool! It is so cool, yeah? Yeah. Oh wow. Basically, I heard it's like a regular printer, just that it has edible ink. So if you're used to using a printer, you won't have a lot of trouble with this. But I'm not used to using a printer, so I'm going to have to learn how to use this from scratch. I'm still going to make another video for you guys on how I made my first edible print. And I think it's going to be Gucci, because I have a Gucci cake on Friday. So, okay, so I don't know which one is top. Okay, this is bottom. Let's go. So let's pull it out. Oh yeah. So it comes with these manuals. Yeah, this is a lot of manual. Oh, we read all these things. Like that's all YouTube is. I'm going to watch several YouTube videos on how to use it. But it comes with these several manuals, and they seem very, you know, like 1, 2. I think different languages. I'm not sure. What's in here? I think this is a manual too. What is this though? Print a photo with me after setup. Oh, I see. They included 3 like papers for you to print a normal photo one. What's this disc for?
Instruction manual and stuff.
Really? Oh, that's cool.
You have to use that to install like the software on your computer.
Ah, oh, I see. But what if your computer can't take a disc?
There's a online. Take a disc. There will be
an online one, yeah. Online okay, so I think this is the plug. So let's pull it out. Yeah. Yay! Pull it out. Pull it out. This is a lot larger than I thought. Yeah. I was thinking maybe there will be this, you know, itty bitty things I can just. It's upside down, yeah. Is it? This can be the top.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh wow. How does it look like a video player? Does it look like a video player? Oh, but it's a lot lighter though. It's a lot lighter than a Quicker Maker. Okay. This is it. I don't know, it has these things. I don't want to remove it except I know if it... Should this be removed? Do you know?
No, babe.
It shouldn't, yeah?
Oh, this? Yeah.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, it should be removed.
Then this opens. Should I remove this though?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, I think this is where to put the inks, the magenta, the black, the yellow, and the cyan. That's great. So I'm going to make a different video for you guys on how to actually use this after I figured out how to use it. Because at this point I don't even know what goes where, or maybe I didn't spoil this thing.
No, you didn't.
Was this thing here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think that's all. I think this is the start button. Ooh, this is start button. And then this, I think this shows you if there's enough ink. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me. Okay, yeah. I think the most interesting thing about buying this particular printer is the fact that it comes with all of those goodies I showed you guys initially. So thank you guys, and I'm going to watch out for my video on how to use this as a first timer. If you're using this for the very first time, so watch out for that video. And if you want to buy this, like, the reason why I bought this is because I've never used it before, so I don't know, it will be difficult for me to buy the printer and then buy the paper separately and then buy like everything, buy the ink separately. You don't even know what kind of ink or what kind of cartridges it uses, so it is best for you to buy something like this that has everything in a pack, because of course everything in the pack is what you would need to print this. So when something runs out, you know exactly what to buy again when it runs out. Yeah, so you guys should look to, like, if you're looking to buy a printer, look to buy this one. I think it is really cool because it comes with all of that stuff, and you know that's going to make your life easier. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and watch out for making my first edible print. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.